Today I'm making lasagna for the weekend, and last night I prepared all this stuff. Got some tofu and onion and mushroom sauteed in there. Got my vegan melty cheese. Got some nice tomato sauce to go on there. I'm putting spinach in it, which you often find in lasagna. And I got my lasagna here that I gotta use up. I've had that for a little while. So I'm gonna use that up and share with my friends. And so I'm gonna get started here. First layer is tomato sauce. Cover the whole bottom. It's hard to see. That's more than enough. Lay down your first layer of lasagna noodles. And crisscross that. Oh. See if I can do this without losing it all. Spread it over. Make this one. I'm just going to cover all the noodles. There we go. That's good. Right, now I'm going to put some tofu, mushroom. You don't want to overdo it. That's pretty good. So you can do that for each layer. Now I'm going to put some spinach on there. Let's see, there's a couple spots that can use it. No. Try to squeeze out some of the juice so it's not too watery with the spinach. I'm going to go with the second layer now. Put some more sauce on. I can get it around the edges. Okay. Open up another box. Good old lasagna. Do it with one hand. Let's see. Also like to press it down so you can see that the sauce, there's no air pockets. See how it's pushing the sauce into there. It may not make a difference, but I like to do it. Gotta get those corners there. Kind of hard to break these with one hand, so I'll put you back over here. I'll put the recipe in the description below if you want it. And the recipe and for the cheese is the second video that I posted. And the recipe is in the description below on that one. Oops, sorry. It's hard to hold the camera and do this at the same time. Alright. Spinach is next. You can put whatever you want in these recipes in this lasagna. I've never made a lasagna that's the same. Always something different, a little bit different. Yep, there's a little bit of juice in there, that's good. If you like spinach, just try to evenly disperse it. You don't have to cover every little piece of noodle that you see. But if you can space it. Some people cook their noodles before they put them, make a lasagna like this, and that can save time. But doing it this way, you really get the flavors of your ingredients in the noodles as it bakes. That looks good, I think. Enough. All right. Nacho cheese. I didn't have all the ingredients, regular ingredients for this. It's lacking a couple, but I think it'll still be good. It calls for onion powder, which I didn't have. I did have garlic. It calls for garlic powder, but so instead of the onion powder, I used a small half of an onion, fresh onion, to make up the difference for the onion powder, which I did not have. I haven't done that before. Used a fresh onion. Okay, for the cheese. All right. I'll get some of that corner. some in that corner. It smells good. Oh, let me get some on that poor little lonely noodle over there. All right, next layer is sauce. Hopefully I've got enough. I got these. There's a different style of lasagna noodle here, as opposed to the thin one. I know I'm gonna need it. I need to get a camera tripod or something, so I don't have to use one hand. Okay, those are a little thinner. I've never used those, but I'm going to use them today. Alright, let's get another layer going on. Oh, making a mess. Tomato sauce smells good. Alright. Go ahead and put my next layers on and then I'll come back. I'm starting with this different lasagna pasta. I'll put that in there. Hopefully it works good. Let's try to have to really conserve here. That should do it. Yeah. Doing a full deck pan here. That's not what most people do in their homes, but since we're going to be a large group for church, I'm making a full deck pan. Alright. Okay. Got that. That should do it. Okay, I'm down to the last. I think I'm down to the final layer. Because I don't have any more tofu or mushrooms. Another can of spinach I gotta open up. Alright, another layer of cheese. So that's what I have there. I think I could do one more layer with different ingredients. I got some lentils that I cooked up earlier this week. And then I've got spinach left. And I still have cheese and enough sauce, I think. I don't know, might be able to do one more layer. Could either make it or break it. But I think I might do that. Oh, there it is, ready to go into the oven. Got the temperature to 350. Should be alright. I'd cook it for like an hour. Cover with plastic. Should be alright. Should be okay. Keep the moisture in. It's time to clean up. Since I don't have a regular lid, I put a couple cookie sheets on top of that, just for what I usually used to do when I worked in a vegetarian restaurant years ago. Keep the heat in and so forth. All right.